Turkey is building something the world isn't ready for. A full-blown army of robot dogs. Not just prototypes, not test models. These are battlefield-ready, AI-powered, modular four-legged machines designed for everything from combat to reconnaissance. So, what does this futuristic army look like? Let's meet the robotic soldiers already making headlines and turning heads in the defense world. Meet KESI, the Cyber Combat Dog. Developed by Turkish company Bytes, KESI isn't your typical robot pet. This four-legged machine was specifically designed to assist military units during operations in mountainous and tough terrains. It's got a load capacity of 25 kilograms and can run continuously for 2 hours. That might not sound like much, until you realize it's built to operate in areas even seasoned soldiers struggle to navigate. What sets KESI apart is its full 360-degree camera and SIM-enabled ATO system. This means everything it sees, every suspicious movement or hostile environment, it sends live to a control unit. Imagine having real-time battlefield footage from places too risky to send a human. That's a game changer. KESI is controlled by a single operator, but here's the twist. It can also work autonomously. Yup, give it a mission and watch it execute. That's AI plus robotics working hand in hand. And because of its lightweight design and goat-like agility, KESI can climb rocky inclines, traverse uneven terrain, and slip through narrow gaps. Perfect for mountain warfare or urban search and rescue missions. What's even more promising? KESI is user-friendly. One person can carry and operate it, making it ideal for small tactical units. And in future updates, it could even be fitted with non-lethal weapons or enhanced sensors. KESI isn't just a robotic assistant. It's the first step toward a future where robot dogs walk beside human soldiers, not behind them. AVCI Kurt, armed and deadly. This isn't your friendly neighborhood robot dog. AVCI Kurt, which roughly translates to Hunter Wolf, is an armed robotic dog developed by a private Turkish firm in Ankara. Think of it as KESI's combat-hardened big brother. This robotic hound doesn't just see, it shoots. Equipped with a precision firearm, AVCI Kurt has already passed its first live fire tests. It can hit targets with remarkable accuracy, thanks to its day vision and thermal imaging cameras. During the day, it uses optical recognition. At night, thermal sensors take over, allowing it to detect enemy presence through heat signatures. But it doesn't stop there. AVCI Kurt is also capable of laser marking, enabling UAVs to identify and destroy targets with pinpoint precision. It essentially acts like a mobile forward observer, something that would usually require highly trained humans crawling into dangerous territory. It can crawl, hide, run, and sneak into high-risk zones without exposing human soldiers. This is massive for counter-terrorism and infiltration missions. It doesn't get tired, it doesn't panic, and it's willing to go where no man or dog would. The robot is being tailored for missions in environments where security forces are at risk of ambush or IED attacks. Its small size and agile movement make it perfect for reconnaissance in narrow alleyways or underground structures. With a range of about 2 kilometers and a single operator remote system, AVCI Kurt is being designed as a frontline scout and mobile sniper rolled into one. This is no longer just about defense, it's about domination. Serrat and Barkan 2. Big guns on steel legs. We've seen nimble robot dogs, but what about the heavyweights? Armed with a 20mm rotary turret, Serrat can fire 750 rounds per minute. That's a ridiculous amount of firepower for a compact mobile unit. Its job? To eliminate threats fast and hard. Turkish engineers have essentially taken the firepower of a helicopter and strapped it onto a ground robot. This machine is designed to assist the Turkish military by providing overwhelming support fire in hostile zones. Whether it's suppressing enemy troops or defending a strategic outpost, Serrat's got it covered. And with further updates, it might even gain anti-drone capabilities. Now let's talk about Barkan 2, developed by Havelsan. This is an unmanned ground vehicle, UGV, that uses hydrogen fuel cells, making it one of the most eco-efficient and silent killers out there. What makes Barkan 2 special is its multi-launch turret system. In tests, it successfully launched laser-guided missiles and kamikaze drones from the same platform. That's right. One turret, multiple weapon types, zero human exposure. Thanks to electric propulsion, Barkan the Seku has a range of 15 kilometers, an altitude reach of 3,000 meters, and can stay airborne for 40 minutes. On the ground, it also handles tasks like bomb disposal, chemical protection, cargo delivery, and rescue missions. And for versatility, it supports 5.56mm and 7.62mm machine guns, all while being remotely controlled by a single operator. Serhat and Barkan II show us that Turkey isn't just building robotic dogs, they're building a robotic army, a modular force that can scout, defend, and attack, all at once. Hançer, Fethi, and Aslan, the triple threat. Let's now meet Turkey's triple threat trio, Hançer, Fethi, and Aslan. These are the robotic MVPs for missions in rough, urban, or complex terrains. First up, Hançer. Built by Electro-Land Defense, Hançer carries a SARP remote-controlled turret capable of hosting either a 7.62mm machine gun or a 40mm grenade launcher. It moves on a track pallet system that helps it overcome 60% vertical slopes, 30% lateral obstacles, and even 60-centimeter-wide trenches. With a load capacity of 500 kilograms and 4-hour continuous operation, Hançer is designed for urban warfare and close-quarter suppression fire. And it operates remotely from 1.5 kilometers away, making it perfect for high-risk missions where sending a human would be suicide. Next up, Fethi, developed by Best Group. It's lighter, faster, and highly maneuverable. Fethi is ideal for pre-infiltration reconnaissance and urban combat. Armed with a 7.62mm machine gun and 1,000 rounds, Fethi also features artificial intelligence that can identify threats and respond accordingly. Its size allows it to slip into tight areas, scout ahead of troops, and even engage enemies directly if needed. Plus, it can be fitted with different payloads based on mission requirements. And finally, Aslan, the lion of the pack. Created by Aselsan, Aslan comes equipped with a SARP-L turret, long-range acoustic systems, and even mini-missile launchers. It can be controlled via GSM networks and has an 800-meter wireless range. Aslan is especially powerful in surveillance and electronic warfare, giving ground forces not only eyes on the battlefield, but also advanced tracking and jamming tools. Together, Hançer, Fethi, and Aslan provide the Turkish armed forces with a robotic task force that can adapt to nearly any combat scenario: urban, desert, mountainous, or forested. Barkan, the armed muscle. If Aslan is the scout, then Barkan is the muscle. Developed by Havelsan, Barkan takes robotic dogs to a combat level. This beast can be fitted with light machine guns, grenade launchers, or special munitions, making it a walking weapons platform. Its real power comes from its AI battlefield coordination, BARKAN. Doesn't just move alone. It can operate in swarms, working with other robots to breach buildings, track targets, or lay down suppressive fire. It's also got all-terrain mobility and stealth operation modes. Need it to move silently? Done. Want it to fire from cover while relaying intel back? Also done. Barkan shows that Turkey isn't just building robots to assist troops, they're designing machines that can fight beside them. EKEVAN, the Silent Infiltrator. Enter EKEVAN, Turkey's smallest and stealthiest robot dog. This one isn't built for battle. It's built for surveillance, infiltration, and silent recon, especially in tight or indoor environments. EKEVAN can be deployed in tunnels, buildings, or disaster zones. It carries 360-degree cameras, sound sensors, and facial recognition tools, and it's whisper quiet. This robot can literally crawl into a room, scan every face, and beam that intel back in real time. It's ideal for hostage situations, anti-terror ops, or even bomb detection. It can also carry flashbangs or mini EMPs to disrupt enemy comms. Tactical units can toss it into danger zones while staying completely out of sight. It's not the biggest, but in the right hands, Ekavan is one of the deadliest tools in Turkey's robotic playbook. Gezgin, the terrain commander. Gezgin is built to explore where others can't. Snow, sand, rocks, stairs, you name it. Gezgin can move across it. This robot dog is designed for long-range recon, especially in outdoor and off-grid missions. It features extra long legs for climbing and a wide motion range for balance on unstable ground. Gezgin can be equipped with satellite relays, solar panels, or even drone launchers, turning it into a mobile command post. What sets it apart is its AI pathfinding system. It calculates energy-efficient routes, avoids enemy detection zones, and can even reroute if GPS is jammed. Gezgin isn't just a robot, it's an autonomous explorer and a perfect fit for border patrol, mine detection, or terrain mapping in remote battlefields. Kartal, the sniper support dog. Kartal is a precision support robot meant to assist long-range snipers and special forces. It's small, quiet, and can carry specialized optics and rangefinders. Kartal's main job? Spotting and triangulating enemy positions. It can crawl into hard-to-reach sniping zones, feed back data, and even laser designate targets. In some tests, it's also been used to deploy miniature drones for aerial reconnaissance while staying ground level itself. For special forces, having a robot like Kartal means an extra set of eyes without giving away position, and that's game-changing. Tunga, the payload beast. Meets Tunga, Turkey's heavy-duty robot dog built for logistics and supply missions. Tunga is larger than the others, with a frame strong enough to carry ammunition, medical kits, or even small UAVs across long distances. It's ideal for resupply in combat zones or aiding disaster response in harsh terrain. Plus, it can operate autonomously or follow troops like a loyal companion. Tunga might not look flashy, but on a real battlefield, keeping soldiers supplied is just as vital as shooting the enemy. So what does all this mean? Turkey isn't just making cool robots, it's reshaping how ground warfare will work in the next 10 years. Each of these robot dogs, Aslan, Barkan, Gezgin, Bozkurt, Kaplan, and the rest, has a role in a larger AI-driven combat ecosystem. From frontline attacks to silent recon to supply and deception, Turkey is designing a future where robots act as teammates, not just tools. So the question is, are other nations ready for a battlefield where robot dogs lead the charge? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Would you trust a robot dog to watch your back in combat? And which one impressed you the most? If you're into military tech, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell, because the future is moving fast and I'll be right here breaking it down for you.